3 skylights. Looks pretty good. Let's take a closer look. The lift test. Lift test number 2. Lift test number 3. Right here are the fastener mounting holes on each skylight. Each skylight has 10 of these holes. There should be 30 screws total. There's only 2 per skylight. But wait, there's more. Let's check out this other skylight. Lift test number 4. So this skylight has 8 mounting holes and only 2 of them are being used. Lift test number 5. Aha, I found the screws. I mean, seriously, I'm not aware of a screw shortage. Get your home inspected.